guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kumi. Hope y'all doing good, you know. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm going to be making a kimono. So all you need for this is your fabric, your scissors, just glue, and a decorative band. So without further ado, let's get into this video. The first thing we're going to do is lay our fabric on the floor, fold it in half. Make sure it's flat. And what you're going to do is take a tape or any form of measuring tool that you use. It could be a ruler actually, and just take 10 inches on the top of the fabric like I'm doing right here. So when you do that, repeat it for the other side because it's the exact same measurement for both. So what you're going to do now is glue the rest of the fabric, leaving out the opening for your sleeves. When you're done with this, repeat it for the other side. What you're going to do is, after you have both sides glued, take a measurement of the whole width of the fabric and then just cut through the middle of it. So now you want to make sure that you're only cutting the top layer. Don't cut the bottom one because the top layer you're cutting right now is going to be the opening. So just cut the top layer alone. And now that we're done doing that, we're just going to head on to sewing the bands. I'm going to use the strap I have here to make this neater. If you don't have anything like this and you're not in the mood to go get one, you could just fold it in here like this. You could fold it in and just sew it just to make the ends neat. You could actually leave it like this because of the fabric. It probably wouldn't even show, but just so that we're neater and it looks nicer, you could either just fold it in or use a band. So what I'm going to do is leave a little bit of space at the end just so that I can turn this in later. And I'm just going to place my band over here. What you're going to do is take your band and glue it all over the opening of the kimono, the bottom part, and also the sleeves. The only part I did not do was where I glued it together because I did not want to do that part because I'm using a band that has sequins on it, and I honestly just feel like that would be way too much. And also I kind of got lazy, so enjoy this video on how to make your very own kimono. Very easy, very fast, no sew at all, completely no sew. Just cut it and glue it and you're done. So if you did enjoy this video and if you're going to try it, let me know. Send me a picture on one of my social media platforms. I have them up here somewhere. I just want to see it because I would love to see what you guys made. And yeah, with that being said, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye.